Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Greet Tarot. So how are you guys doing? I hope you're doing good, being safe and healthy. So if you're new to my channel, if you like the content, please give it a like, subscribe, comment or a share. Or if you have already subscribed my channel, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for the support guys. So in the description box below I have my Instagram page linked. If you want to follow me there, please go ahead and give it a follow guys. Okay, so the pick a card for today is your past, your present, your future, and then your overall outcome in the advice. Okay, so that is going to be the reading for today. So yeah, okay, and then I'll be pulling like oracle card for extra guidance or what is coming in your life, so extra messages. I'll be using this wisdom oracle deck, and over here we have the fairy cards oracle. I'll use that also, and I'm just I'll use these affirmation cards also, that will help you. Okay, so I'll use it that all. Okay, so now let's go for the selection, right? So we have three groups over here. I have kept the crystal as well as a charm also. Okay, you can select what you feel, intuitively. You can go ahead and select like that. So for the first group we have this teapot, okay, as a charm for group number 1, and we have the selenite crystal also, okay, for group number 1, selenite crystal. For group number 2 we have this angel head here, angel or fairy. Okay, I feel like fairy. I'm not sure if it's a fairy or angel, but yeah, I'll take it as an angel. Okay, then we have this lapis lazuli for group number 2. You can go with the crystal also guys, just intuitively select. And the third group is the elephant over here. It's very small, and we have the amethyst. Okay, okay, so yeah, group number 1, group number 2, group number 3. Okay guys, take your time, close your eyes, relax your mind, no worries, no tension, just go with a pile that you're connected intuitively. Okay, so yeah, you can pause the video, take your time. Okay, so yeah, relax guys, and in the description box below I'll be providing you the timestamps. You can go ahead and watch the video like that, skip ahead. Okay, and yeah, and one more thing, yeah, it's a general reading, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind guys. So I'm gonna go with group number 1. Hello group number 1, if you chose this selenite and this teapot charm, so I feel you need to have more fun, get out and have fun guys, connect with your friends, have some tea time, that is what I'm getting. You need to just relax and have some fun. Okay, so the past energy is 3 of Pentacles. Okay, so the past energies look good, so things were okay for you guys in career. If it's in career, you were being appreciated, I feel like that, or you did something, a group work or something, and you were like feeling very good about it. People recognized your efforts, you were a good team player, your work was appreciated in the past. I feel like that for many of you, you were feeling good about yourself and working with people, happy with that. So yeah, you were pretty, with this 3 of Pentacles, I feel like that you were pretty feeling good about it. That is what I'm getting here with this 3 of Pentacles. Yeah, you were like, you did something, maybe a teamwork, or maybe you felt like things were coming together, people were coming together, and you were happy about it, right? Maybe you sorry, okay, maybe you just met someone and have fun, maybe a group work you did, or if in career, maybe you collaborated or something like that and felt good, or maybe your work was appreciated, you were recognized. Yes, that is what I'm getting with this 3 of Pentacle energy here. Okay, so let's just clarify. Okay, once 3 of Pentacles, please clarify 3 of Pentacles. Yeah, yeah. We have Queen of Pentacles and 4 of Pentacles over here. So with this Queen of Pentacles, yeah, I feel you were appreciated for your work. You were feeling stable in the past. With this Queen of Pentacles, I feel you were feeling like balanced. Your energy were balanced. You were appreciated. You were feeling mature about yourself. You were mature, like that kind of energy. And yeah, that is what I'm getting here. So look, the present is okay. The present is Four of Cups. So you're feeling bored now. You don't know. In the past everything was like okay. Now you're like, what is happening now? I'm not feeling that motivated. I'm feeling now you're feeling demotivated or something like that. You're feeling you're lacking something, you're feeling bored. Okay, so let's see, maybe this project ended or something like that. After that you don't know what you need to do or something like that. You're feeling stable now, you're like not so. So let's just clarify. Four of Cups here. Okay, look, what is this? Ace of Pentacles. Okay, so yeah, maybe you feel like your finances are not improving or something like that. Maybe you're feeling, that's why you're feeling you're lacking. You feel that you worked a lot. You worked in the past, you worked a lot, you were appreciated, you were feeling balanced, you were feeling mature, and you felt like you were stable. But right now you're not feeling that. You're feeling that you're working a lot, but you're not getting that much back. Maybe with this Ace of Pentacles, you were hoping for more. You were hoping for a bonus or something like that. You didn't get it or something. You feel lacking. Maybe you're not seeing the bigger picture here. I feel right now, or you're feeling that you're not gonna achieve your goals or something like that. I feel with this finances, or something related to finances, you're not satisfied right now. You hoped for more and you didn't get it. In the past it was okay, but right now you're feeling like this is lacking. You worked hard and you're not getting that much. Yeah, that is what I'm feeling. You felt you will get, you're not getting that much. Your finances are not improving that much. You hoped for a lot and you're not getting that much, so you're like feeling dissatisfied. Or you feel like that you need to work a lot and you're not making enough, like that kind of energy I'm feeling here. What is the future? Let's see. Okay, this is gonna move, guys. This is gonna move. Eight of Wands energy. This is a very fast moving energy, so you're gonna get out of this phase. It's just a temporary phase where you're feeling like bored, or you're feeling dissatisfied about something, about your finances. You might be dissatisfied. Are you feeling that you're not getting enough? That is gonna go. With this Eight of Wands energy, I feel some good news about finances are gonna come for sure. Okay, things are going to move fast. Okay, maybe you wanted to travel, or right now you are not able to travel, so you're dissatisfied about that also, but in the future you will be able to travel also. So let's clarify. Eight of Wands over here. Okay. Yeah, look, I was talking about travel, and look, we have Chariot energy. Yeah, we have Lovers also, Queen of Cups. Wow. So yeah, in the future everything will be all right. You will be moving forward with your goals with determination. Right now this is just a temporary phase where you're feeling very bored, you're feeling dissatisfied about something. The things are not moving the way you want right now, but it will be okay. In the future you will be making a mature decision with your intuition. With this Queen of Cups and the Lovers, I feel you will be you will go with your heart. I feel like that, and move forward. Okay, so that is what I'm getting. And as I said, travel is on the cards. If you want to travel, yeah, I see travel also. Okay, some good news is definitely coming here in the future that will make you very happy. Right now it's just a temporary situation, guys. Hang in there. Okay, so let's see what is your outcome. Wow, Hierophant. So yeah, so you're gonna learn more things. Okay, so I feel overall you will be you will be becoming more spiritual also. I feel like that. You're going to be very wise, or you will meet someone who is a wise person who will be guiding you, or and maybe you will be joining some institution or something. You might be learning something. Overall outcome is like you will work on your spirituality, on your growth, trusting your intuition more, having a spiritual practice or something like that, or meeting, going to church or something like that. For some of you it can be that also, going to temple. Overall you will be working on your spirituality. I feel like that you will be very, very thankful to the divine, because right now it's like things are not flourishing for you right now, so you're bored, you're feeling dissatisfied, but this is, I feel very soon your things are gonna change for sure. Okay, and just you're gonna, so whenever you take a decision, go with your heart. Okay, that is what I'm getting here. Look, we have two, we have the 6 and 7, so you're gonna step up, and we have this 8 also, right? So yeah, so you're gonna move forward with your plans. Okay, maybe you want to learn something new, or maybe you will go to some other place, travel. Maybe you will learn, you will join a university abroad or something. I don't know what I'm getting that also, where you'll be learning something new, so yeah, that is what I'm getting to, things, in the past things were like good for you, you were like, okay, you achieved something, you were feeling stable, but right now things are like out, or you're not so good, you're not feeling that good right now, but this is gonna change soon. You will travel for sure. Yeah, travel is on the cards, guys, don't worry. Okay, things are anyways easing up, so yeah, I feel like that. And with this Hierophant, you will learn something new, online courses maybe. Yeah, maybe online course, that is also like it's like movement, right? Connecting with other people around the globe or something like that. Taking some online courses, some spiritual courses, I feel like that. So yeah, you will be feeling good about yourself, you will be trusting your intuition more, and yeah, this boredom is gonna go, don't worry. So the advice, 9 of Pentacles. Okay, so you need to focus more on yourself. I feel like that more self-care is needed right now. I feel with this 4 of Cups, maybe for some of you, you're overeating or something, I don't know, or you're not eating at all, some kind of, you're not taking care of your own, I feel like that. So this is the advice I'm feeling. You need to take care of everything. Okay, you need to enjoy, that's the thing, teapot, you need to enjoy with your friends, or if you're feeling single, enjoy that phase. If you're single, enjoy that phase. You don't have to, maybe that can also the reason, with this 4 of Cups, you're feeling a little bit dissatisfied with your love life or something like that, and you want someone in your life. But yeah, with this also, I feel that someone might some we have this Gemini and Cancer sign also here, so yeah, maybe some fire sign or some water sign right, may come into your life, that can also happen here with this. If you're talking about love, yeah, maybe someone will come soon, maybe they will message you, text you, maybe you will FaceTime or something like that, I'm getting here. Anyways, the overall advice is, if you're single, just concentrate on yourself, love yourself, dress up, meet your friends, have fun, and work on your finances also. I feel like that you need to concentrate on your work, finances, focus on that. Maybe for some of you, you're feeling so bored that you don't want to do anything, you might be procrastinating. So don't procrastinate, guys, focus on your goals, keep moving forward, everything is going to be all right. Okay, so what is the guidance here? Yeah, TikTok, yeah, with this 4 of Cups, you're feeling like that you're not getting the things, you need to wait, like TikTok, the time will come. Okay, this is the divine timing card. Yes, your time is coming. I feel this is like with this 8 of Wands, things are gonna ease up quickly. With this energy is gonna go, guys, for sure. With this 8 of Wands, things are gonna move fast. Okay, so the time is coming. Okay, don't worry, just be patient, a little bit more patience, I feel, for you guys. You need that. Overall, you're doing good, guys. Okay, so yeah, or maybe for some of you, in the past you got out of your comfort zone. Right now you're not feeling that confident also, so yeah, you will gain back your confidence, everything. It's okay, just have some fun time with your friends. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Let's pull out one more card from this deck for you guys. Yeah, being flexible. Yeah, you need to if one thing is not working, look, with this energy, with this 4 of Cups energy, if one thing is not working, go for a round, be more flexible, guys. Okay, yeah. So if you, for example, I'm just getting an example here, if you're trying to weight lose, just there are so many different kind of things you can do, right? You don't have to follow only one thing. Maybe you're getting bored because of that one routine, just do something different. Okay, so that might work for you guys. Okay, so yeah, let's see what your fairies have to add. Let's see. arrows. Wow. Okay, direction is yours to choose today. Your inner light will guide the way. Yeah, with this, look, you are feeling right now bored. So what your heart says, go for it, guys. Don't stop. Your inner light is shining and things are gonna move forward, guys. Don't worry. If you're feeling stuck right now, it's okay, because things are gonna move. Some days, every time things will not be the same. It's gonna move. It's gonna, it's like fast energy here. So yeah, things are gonna move. So what is the affirmation that will help you guys? Let's see for this pile. Okay, we have this one. Okay, I now create a wonderful new job. Okay, so that's cool. Yeah, look, maybe in your workplace you're feeling very bored. As I said, your finances, you're not so happy about it. Okay, maybe you want to change jobs. Maybe you're not satisfied with this job. So in the future, you might travel, you might do something different, you might make a decision moving forward with your goals. Yeah, that's the thing. Maybe in the past, you were happy that you got this job. Right now you're not so happy in this. You will be moving forward. Maybe you are exploring more spiritually. Okay, so just focus on your goals, focus on yourself, be more flexible, guys. Everything will happen in the divine timing. So that is what I'm getting from this pile. Okay, so I now create a wonderful new job. So if it's a new job, if it's a job you're already doing, you will be like having more passion also. I feel, look with these eyes, look, you need to trust your gut feeling, guys. Okay, with this green color, connect with nature. Abundance is coming. Okay, I am totally open and receptive to a wonderful new position, using my creative talents and abilities, working for and with people I love in a wonderful location and good earning good money. Okay, and one more thing I'm getting here, maybe for some of you it's a creative block you have right now you're not, like, maybe sometimes you are in a creative field and you're feeling not that motivated right now, and you don't know how you will make money. So don't this all energy is gonna go. You will like quickly move away from this energy. It's just a temporary thing. Okay, so that's all for my group number 1. Just have fun with your friends. If you're feeling so stuck, just have fun, relax, go out. Yeah, just have a beach day or something, if you can go there, or just call your friends, or if you have one friend, call that one friend and have fun, guys. That's all for group number 1. Bye bye, take care. Group number 2, whoever chose this lapis lazuli, let's see what is the message for you. And we have this fairies or angel. I feel you are protected, guys. Whatever you go through in your life, you're protected. I feel like that here. You're guided by your angels. You believe in angels. I feel many of you believe in angels. They are around you. I feel like that. They're protecting you. Okay, believe in them. Okay, they will protect you. I feel like that. Okay, we have Knight of Wands energy here in the past. Okay, so this is the past, this is the present, this is the future. We have 2 cards over here for future that jumped out. Okay, then we have this outcome, and then this is the advice for you, and this is the guidance. And then I'll be pulling out from this deck, Okay, so let's see. Your past energy is Knight of Wands. Okay, so yeah, Knight of Wands energy. Knight of Wands is like you were very passionate about someone or something in your life. You were very passionate about your goals in this fiery energy. Maybe this person like can be a fire sign also, if you're passionate about someone, like maybe a fire sign energy, Leo, Sag, or Aries. Or maybe you were passionate about something, you wanted to do this, you wanted to go move forward with your goals, dreams. You were very, very passionate about something in the past. Very lot of passion energy here. You wanted to make this happen. You didn't think too much, you just wanted to go, and you were so in your energy, I feel, in the past. Okay, so let's see what is the present situation over here. Oh, 10 of Swords energy here. So yeah, something happened. You're not so happy about it. You felt, for someone, it can be in a relationship, you felt cheated or something like that. You felt like someone stabbed on your back or something like that kind of energy, where you felt like why things are not moving the way you want. Or maybe this is like with this 10 of swords, you know, the career or the goal you had, it's like not moving forward the way you wanted, and you're feeling so bad about it, but the cycle is ending. That's the good news. Okay, so this is like, this is an end, something is ending for sure. Right now you're in the ending, completion of something. Okay, so maybe this career, what you thought was your passion, is not is ending. So that is like breaking your heart or something like that. You're like, I don't know, I feel you're not so happy right now. You're feeling very stressed about things, you're feeling let down, you're feeling bad about things, you're not feeling passion, you don't have that passion anymore. But this is ending. That's the good news. Let's clarify this 10 of swords again. Please clarify this 10 of swords. Right, please clarify this 10 of swords. Yeah, balance. Yeah, with this temperance, you know, yeah, with this temperance, you know, it's like in the tarot deck we have the Archangel Michael presence, I feel, with that card. So yeah, you are guided with your archangels, angels. Okay, so whatever phase you're going through, remember, it will be balanced. Your angels are with you guys. Okay, so that is what I'm getting here. You know, something has happened that has, you know, you felt so bad about that. This person might have done something that made you so bad, or your dream, the way you wanted to achieve things, didn't happen. Something very emotional, something very, you know, you felt so hurtful. So yeah, that is the situation, but this will be balanced. You will maintain your balance, I feel like that. With this clarification card of yours is temperance, so you'll be finding the balance. You know, again, you will get up, you're gonna get up. Okay guys, with this present situation, 10 is all about completion. So I'm feeling that you're getting okay, your energies are getting balanced right now. You know, you have taken your time, now it's time to move forward, you know that. So yeah, let's see your future. Okay, we got to, yeah, look, 3 of swords and justice. So I feel you will get the justice, guys. So whoever broke your heart, they will get their karma. I don't know why I'm getting that first here with these two cards. So someone has really, you know, really made you bad. Okay, so someone has done something from in your career. Maybe it can be this, you know, you wanted to do something and you had this idea, and someone took that idea of yours and you felt so bad. Maybe it's an idea, you know, someone stole something from you. It can be an idea, your passion. Maybe they made you feel bad. Okay, they cheated on you, they gossiped about you, so something ended because of that. A relationship might have ended that, you know. So the person who broke your heart will get their karma. That is what I'm getting. And you know, for some of you, your heart was broken with this 3 of swords energy. Your heart was broken, you know. Right now also you're in pain, you're getting up, you're getting up now only, but remember, in the future you're gonna get the justice. You know, you are God will give you the justice. You know, they will reap their karma. I feel why the word karma is coming. I feel they will get the, if someone has made you bad, have done you bad, they will get it back. I just feel like that. Okay, yeah, with this 3 of swords and justice. Yeah, whoever broke your heart, whatever, you know, if the situation, if you know, if something happened, the goal you wanted to achieve and you couldn't achieve, you will get the justice. Okay, so something that broke your heart, you know, right now you are actually like in that I feel for many of you, you're healing, you're getting back together. Lot of things have happened. Maybe you lost something, someone or something like that, or but you're the 3 of swords, you're getting out of that. You in the future you will get the justice. So whoever broke your heart, whatever happened that was not good for you, that broke your heart, that teared you down, okay, so you will get the justice. Okay, you are gonna get the justice, guys, and that's a beautiful thing. You will get it. Okay, and everything will be, you know, with this temperance also, you know, things will balance for you guys. So if you lost a job, you will get a job that is better than that job. Okay, so that is, you know, and if someone did you wrong, they will get their own karma, and you will get the good karma if you have done, you know, if you have done the good things. Anyways, I feel you will get it back, the good things, you know, justice will be served for you guys. Wow, that's a good thing you have. Okay, you have gone through a lot. You will be back, you know, you will come back, your energies will balance. Look, wow, the outcome, look, 10 of cups energy. So yes, things will be okay, you will be enjoying with your family. Okay, so yeah, maybe your career will, you know, this justice, you know, something will happen that will make you so happy in the future. So the reason for your heartbreak is gonna go, and you will be feeling good, and you will be like, okay, this happened, now this is happening, so this is a good thing, you know. Maybe you will be happy, I feel. With this 10 of cups energy, I feel you will be happy with your family. You will be bonding with your family, spending time with your family, with your loved ones, and getting out of this energy. Because okay, so for you, if you lost a job, I feel you will get a job also, something like that, you know. Anyways, whatever happened, whatever your situation is, you will get the justice, guys. That is what I'm getting here, and that will make you feel very, very happy. So the overall outcome is 10 of cups, where you will be feeling happy, you will be in your energy, you'll be spending quality time with your loved ones. I feel like that, having some vacation and all, you know. So yeah, you're gonna get out of this. Your energies will be balanced. So right now it's difficult, I know, but it's okay. Yeah, we have the advice, Ace of Cups. Okay, so yeah, new beginnings. Embrace your new beginnings. With this 10, you know, endings are coming. So let go of your past, embrace the new beginning. Here I feel like that. Be clever. You know, I don't know, with this fox, I feel you need to be more clever, make mature decisions. And I feel you know, sometimes we will be in a path where we don't know what will be the outcome, but don't worry, your angels are with you. Just keep on moving forward. New opportunities will come, take it, you know. Don't be afraid to take new opportunities, I feel, because you have gone through this. Maybe you will, if new love come, you will be very, very like, you will not trust this. So that's why I feel like that you need to trust it and go with the flow, you know. Everyone will not be the same here, I feel like that also. So you need, that is what this advice card, I feel like that for you guys is. Okay, then what else? Yeah, never ending story. This never ending story is gonna end, guys. Okay, yeah, that is the thing here. Look, with this 10 of swords, that is completing, where you felt, you know, maybe in your relationship this is happening again and again, and finally this is gonna go, guys. This is like, this story is going to end where you were being cheated, where you've been let down, or in your, if you had this career, you know, issues and all. You are going to get this justice. With this justice, yes, in the future you will get the justice. You will reap your rewards, you know. I feel justice is also about karma. I feel you, the good you have done, you are going to reap, and the people who have done you bad, they will get their own karma. So yeah, you know, things are gonna ease up, guys. Yeah, you have gone through a lot, but this is, with this 10 and this here never ending story. Look, 7, 8, 9, 10, again we got this 10. This story is gonna end, guys, where you're feeling frustrated. And oh god, interestingly, look at this, you know, she has a wing, and you know, I don't know why I'm like, I don't know, you it's like, I feel like it's a wing here. I don't know, because I'm feeling it like that. And yes, your angels are with you. They are helping you in this process. You're gonna go, you know. Just take this mirror here and just love yourself, okay? Just don't let anyone tell you that you're not worthy, or don't let that. You are worthy, and this chapter is gonna end with this never ending story. Okay, so wow, that's cool. So yeah, right now you are but you know, this message is like that positivity, you know. I feel this message uplifts you. Okay, so yeah, I'm sure you will get out of it. So let's see one more card with this for my group number 2 people. Okay, so again we got an mending card. It's about, you know, yeah, look at that again, the, you know, wings. Look, that wings, the angel vibes. And I don't know, I'm getting these angel vibes a lot. And we have the 7 numbers, so angel's presence is there. So mending, you know, I feel you are gonna, I don't know, for this card I'm getting a different thing. I feel for many of you, you will be you know, you will be connecting with your childhood friends or something like that. I feel like that, even the relationships from the past that were like good, you know, maybe, yeah, someone from your past, you will be connecting with this person and you will be feeling good about it. I don't know why I'm feeling like that. Maybe it's a soulmate of yours you will be connecting with. So yeah, so someone is there who will be like, you will be telling, you know, your story, they will be telling their story, and you'll be connecting. And I feel a lot of angelic presence here. I don't know why. A lot of, that's the thing I'm getting here. Or fairies also, maybe fairies. Yeah, look at these wings, here also. I just don't know. I'm feeling that. So yeah, maybe for some of you, you will be mending the relationships, the incomplete, you will be completing. That is the thing. Completion is coming here. In the future, the thing that broke your heart, you will be getting a completion, and you will be letting go of the things that is not serving you. And because of this justice, you will get something new, something good, something that will make your heart good. You will feel good in the future. You're gonna feel good, and the overall outcome is 10 of cups energy, so definitely you'll be happy. Okay, so let's see. Okay, we got is like butterflies. Yeah, transformation, guys. You're gonna transform with this butterfly. Yeah, you're finally gonna have your wings, and you're gonna fly, and you will go sing your own song. I feel like that here. Okay, whenever you see a butterfly, okay, so this is a different message. Okay, whenever you see a butterfly flutter through the grass, it is to remind you the love of those who have passed. Okay, maybe this is like, wow, okay, butterflies here. And yeah, and we have this angels, I told you. So someone, this is someone, this angel is someone whom you passed on, someone who is like guiding you. They are seeing you in pain, and they are helping you. They're trying to help you. They are with you, guys. Okay, okay. So this one will be for someone. If you have lost, if you have someone who is near to you, yeah. So this person is definitely around you. Okay, they are helping you heal. Okay, really, they are helping you heal, and yes, they are with you. So yeah, they are around you. I don't know, for some of you it can be someone who is like near to you. So they are with you, guys. They are seeing you. They are protecting you. Okay, oh, that was a very, okay, I don't know. So I'm feeling, oh god, that was powerful. Oh, oh. So last part. That was emotional. Okay, I'm getting very emotional. Okay, so yeah, my future, wow, this is beautiful. Look at this. Yes, your future is glorious, guys. So you are going through you have gone through a lot right now, but yeah, that's gonna end. That is gonna end, and your near one is there. So I don't know, I'm hearing mom. I don't know, I'm feeling a motherly energy here. Mother, for some of you it can be a mother, a grandmother. Okay, your ancestors, someone, like for some of you, they are looking out for you. Okay, guys, they don't want you to be in, like, I don't know, I'm getting this message. They don't want you to be like that. They don't want you to suffer like this. I'm getting like that. So yeah, and it's ending, guys. You're gonna enjoy your life with this 10 of cups. Yes, justice will be, justice will be served. That's the thing. Yeah, my future is glorious. So this is the affirmation that can help you. And yeah, your future is going to be glorious. I now live in limitless love, light, and joy. All is well in my world. All is well. Okay, all is well. All is well. You are gonna get the justice, and this justice card speaks a lot, right? So it's like balancing of your energy. We have temperance also. It's all about balance. Balance coming into your life. Okay, so karma, karma. That is the word I'm hearing. It's like karma. They will get that. Whoever have cheated, who has done you wrong, or if they have cheated on you, if they have stolen your ideas or gossiped around about you, or whatever, if you felt like that you didn't get the thing you wanted to, you deserved, you will get it. Your future is going to be good. Your future is going to be glorious. Trust this, guys. Okay, and someone is there around you. I was like angel present. It's like this person. Okay, someone, and I'm getting, mother feeling. At the same time, I'm getting a child energy also here. For some of you it can be a child also. I don't know, this is also coming here for son or daughter or someone. I don't know why that energy is also coming here, guys. Okay, so yeah, your future is glorious. Okay, that's all for group number 2, guys. Bye bye, take care. My group number 3, whoever chose this amethyst, so let's see what is your reading. So this, you got the charm of elephant. So elephant is like very courageous, very strong people. You are very strong and courageous people, and you're very wise people also. I feel like that. Okay, so yeah, and then we will pull out from this deck. I'll pull out from this deck for you guys. Okay, so and we will pull out another card from this deck. So let's see. this one. Okay, so this is your past energy, this is your present energy, this is your future, this is your outcome. For outcome, you got two cards that jumped out, and then this is your advice, and this is the guidance, let's say. So the first one is past. We have two of swords. In the past, you were very confused about something. Let's just clarify that, okay? So very confusion, you were very confused about something, okay? So maybe for some of you, you don't know what you need to do. Okay, so let's see. Please clarify this two of swords energy. Okay, wow, we have, yeah, look, with this eight of swords, yeah, you were so confused, you were so, but we have this magician also here. So I feel for many of you, with this two of swords, you were very confused, you didn't know what to do, you were feeling so conflicted in your mind. But I feel for many of you just went with your heart, you just trusted your intuition on something, and you were feeling, because of that you felt very powerful, okay? You just let go of that. I feel for many of you let go of your overthinking in the past or something like that. Maybe you used to overthink a lot, maybe you are working on that, you worked on that. I feel like that you're overthinking, and you're now because of that you have started to trust your intuition. For some of you are trusting your intuition, you're going with your gut feeling, you have started to trust your heart more, and because of that you felt powerful or something like that. With this magician card, you felt that this overthinking is not good for you, and maybe you made some changes within yourself. I feel like that in the past, with your with your thinking, your limiting beliefs. Because of this limiting beliefs, you might have so much of confusion in your head. Finally letting go of that limiting beliefs and trusting yourself more, the universe more, okay? Letting go of that confusion, I feel like that you're working on yourself, I feel, in the past. Okay, so let's see the present energy here. Yeah, balance. Look, wow. So yeah, you are working on yourself. Now things are going to get balanced. Your energy is, because King of Cups is a very balanced king, right? So I feel you were working on that only. You were working on your inner balance, where you were stressing about something. Maybe you're attached to an outcome so much, because that's why you felt so confused. Because sometimes we attach ourselves to certain things, and that doesn't serve us, and we will be always stressed, because when we attach ourselves to an outcome, and when things doesn't go our way, we stress a lot, and then confusion arises, and we don't know what we want to do. So you were like that in the past, and I feel you were working on yourself in the past, and right now you are feeling balanced. Your energies are feeling balanced, you're trusting your intuition, you're being, you know what you want to do with this balanced energy. A lot of balance. Yeah, you were so imbalanced with this two of swords energy in the past. Right now you're so balanced. Yeah, you have done a lot of inner work, I feel like that, for this pile. Yeah, you're getting more wiser with this elephant also, amethyst also. Maybe you're in the spiritual journey also for some of you. That's why you're aware of certain things, and you're aware that you need to detach yourself from certain things. Maybe your thinking pattern was not good, and you're working on that, you're letting go of that. So yeah, right now it's like a lot of balance is coming into your life. A lot of balance is there, I feel like that. Your work, your family, I feel like that. Future, hermit. Okay, so yeah, in your future you will be exploring more. Yeah, you are going to explore more, maybe in a spiritual journey with this purple wings. Look at this purple color with this purple lotus. So if you are, I feel for many of you, you are in a spiritual journey. You are going to explore more. You are getting inside of yourself, meditating. You're going to be so aware of the things you need to let go. You're letting go of your past. You're taking your time and working on yourself. Or maybe for some of you, you'll be working something very, you independently. You'll not work with others. You are going to work alone. I feel like that you're going to be in this hermit mode, where it's a good thing. Sometimes it's a good thing for you guys. I feel you will be exploring yourselves with a lot of spiritual awakening here. if you are already, you know, in the spiritual journey, you will be getting into the next stage. Okay, so very spiritual this pile. You have the power also, I feel. You can manifest anything you desire. I'm getting that. So in the future, you are gonna work on your spirituality. You're gonna build something independently without the help of others. I feel like that you will be doing everything independently. Okay, so you're not going to work with certain people. You will be exploring yourself. You're on a spiritual journey. Okay, contemplating things, finding your own inner light. Okay, very spiritual this pile is. That's why you got the elephant. Okay, so you're going to be very wise people. Okay, wow, you will have a lot of wisdom to give to other people also. So yeah, you will be giving advice to other people in the future, because right now your energies is so balanced that you are exploring more and more yourself. You're getting the dots why things happened in the past. You're connecting the dots in the future, you know, in the hermit mode. Yes, I feel like that. Okay, so let's see the overall outcome, because you have two cards over here. Oh, all the greens, you know. So yeah, wow, look at that. Look at that, guys. We have 3 of wands and 6 of wands energy here. So yeah, whatever you were planning, you were like patiently waiting for something, and that is gonna come. You are going to be victorious, guys. With this, all this green, these two greens, you know, the outcome is victory. You're going to be victorious. There will be a lot of people who will be following you. Okay, so yeah, maybe you're doing something independently in social media or something, like, you know, where you don't have to work with other people. You know, even though you're working with other people, like communication and all, but the thing you're putting out is like you're not you're just working with, you know, alone. You're working alone. That is what I'm I mean, like you work alone and give guidance to other people. You know, you're not working with other people. You're not you're not doing meetings and all like that kind of. I don't know why I'm saying that, but I feel like that something very independent, you know, freelancing or something like that. I don't know, but maybe blogging, doing something like that and posting it, giving advice to other people, motivating other people. Okay, you're exploring yourself. I don't know why this is. You're going to be very wise leaders. I feel you have this leader quality. So you're with, so 3 of wands. If you are waiting to travel, I feel you will be traveling. You will be getting the yes, travel is there in the future. Overall you might travel. With this 3 of wands energy, you are waiting. If you're waiting for something very patiently, you wanted to do something, you're gonna get it. I feel you're gonna be very victorious. The overall energy is victory, so you will be victorious. Okay, so there will be people following you. They will be, I feel for some of you, you might you are healers. I don't know, this pile I'm getting the healer vibe also. So yeah, you will be forming a community. I feel I'm feeling recognized. That's the thing, you will be recognized for your work. Okay, you are you're getting more into your spirituality, more getting inside of yourself, connecting with the divine in the future. More, more. If you are already in the spiritual journey, you're going more, so you're gonna transform a lot, guys. Okay, so yeah, you will shine your inner light. I feel like that. With this, all this, look at this purple, purple lotus. Purple lotus is all about spiritual awakening. So yeah. So yeah, you're going to be victorious, that's for sure. Your overall outcome is victory. And advice, Queen of Swords. Okay, so with this Queen of Swords, yes. Okay, so yeah, sometimes I feel I don't know why I'm feeling, maybe sometimes you have this boundary. You know who is good for you, you know who is bad for you. I feel your third eye is also open, so you're so wise. You know that you're going to be in your power, so enjoy that. Queen of Swords energy, you know who you need to let in, who you need to let out. You will be in that position, so embrace that. Your advice is like, just go like that only. You are strong people, you are empowered people, guys. You're so empowered. I'm getting this empowerment feeling. You're going to empower other people also. So yeah, that is what I'm getting. Yes, you're in this high position, enjoy it. You've been recognized for your work, enjoy it. Okay, don't be that thing. Be confident about yourself. Yes, you have this talent, you have this. I feel for many of you have this spiritual gift also. Just embrace your gift, move forward, because this Queen of Swords doesn't take BS of any. She doesn't takes that kind of things. Yes, you are also not going to do it. You are going to protect yourself, but I feel you will get a lot of, like, there will be people who, like, I am getting that kind of people who will be jealous of you because you're gaining success, you've been victorious and all. So just, you know that who are these people, and just, for, make that distance. I feel like that you need to do that. That is what I'm getting here. Very good. Yeah, fork in the road. Okay, so guidance. So sometimes in life you will have that, even though you're in this journey, sometimes you will be questioning yourself, self-doubting yourself. Don't do that. Don't doubt yourself. Yeah, maybe this is also Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords energy doesn't doubt that her. She is so confident. You need to maintain that. Okay, be confident in yourself. Yeah, there is a lot of self-doubt. That is what I'm getting right now. Even though you're so balanced and you know where you're going, then do you doubt yourself? So no more doubt. You have all the power. You have all the magic. So believe that, trust that, because you're meant to guide other people. Okay, so sometimes you will feel whether I should I just saw 1111 here. Wow, I was talking about that and just saw 1111. Wow. Okay, so yeah, just go forward. Be confident in yourself. Don't doubt yourself. Trust your heart, because your instincts are so strong. Trust your intuition. You can just trust it. Okay, so yeah, that is it. There will be sometimes things, sometimes you doubt. It's okay. It's like, okay thing, negative feelings, it's all okay. But you know what you need to do. You have so much of wisdom here. So yeah, just trust your intuition. And yeah, trust your intuition. That's the thing. And 1 + 3 is 4. You're going to be stable. Okay, so yeah, be confident, guys. Don't doubt yourself. That is the advice here. Yeah, observe more. Yeah, you need to observe more. You need to, like, yeah, that is the thing. You need to observe more. You need to research more sometimes. That is also important here. And maybe this fox is so clever. So yeah, you need to be more clever about certain things. Okay, be smart. I don't know. I'm getting that also. Queen of Swords is also smart, right? So be smart and be confident in yourself. And it's sometimes you need to observe more. Maybe you need to observe your surroundings also. Sometimes if you're connecting with people, I feel you will be observing a lot of people, and who is good, who have this kind of intention or something like that. I feel you need to observe more. Okay, yeah. Or maybe you need to just you're getting that signs and all, so you need to be yeah, angels are connecting with you. You need to observe that also. For some of you are not seeing that. You need to be more the signs and all are there around you, so you need to observe more also. That, and when you're in confusion, you will get the signs, and you can you will have your answers also. That is also I'm getting here. So wow, that is a good pile here. Very spiritual. Okay, let's see what is your message. So anyways, you're going to succeed in whatever you're doing, and you're going to be very, very confident also. So yeah, that I need you, the thing you need to work on is to be more confident. Okay, don't self-doubt yourself, because victory is yours. So yeah, you're in the spiritual journey. Keep on moving, guys. So what else from the fairies? Let's see for you guys. Friends. Okay, all the love your light extends, its reflection shown in chosen friends. Okay, so for some of you, with this hermit mode, I feel like you need to connect more with your friends also. So yeah, you are in the spiritual journey. In the future, you will be in the spiritual journey. You will be exploring yourself. You will be loving yourself. You will know. But sometimes you will not. You will be always in the. You don't be always in the hermit mode. Sometimes enjoy with your friend also. I feel like that. That is also is coming here. Okay, so I'll take one more card. So spend quality time with your friends, guys. Yeah, backpack, get your compass, adventure is yours. Get out of the city and enjoy the outdoors. So yeah, with this travel, maybe for some of you will travel. Okay, travel with your friends, enjoy some time, or just go with your just have some fun time, or call your friends, talk, because with this hermit mode in the future, I see you being alone. That introvert, you need to connect more. Okay, so that's also needed. So let's see. Very introvert people here. Some of you are definitely introvert. So just get out. Sometimes you need to get out, okay? It's okay, you are in this journey, you will be, but yeah, you need to get out some days. If someone is planning, if your friends are planning something, just go with the flow, go with them, take time out. So what else for you guys for my group number 3? Okay, we got one card over there. Okay, wow. Yeah, with this Hermit card, your house is going to be, you know, my home is a peaceful heaven. Yeah, you will be very, very relaxed in your home, very happy. If you don't have a space right now, you will be having a space where you will be so comfortable. So this is your affirmation. Yes, your home life is going to be good. You'll be enjoying your own space. You're enjoying yourself in the future. My home is a peaceful heaven. Wow. I bless my home with love. I put love in every corner, and my home lovingly responds with warmth and comfort. I'm at peace. You will be at home only. I feel like that you will be in your home enjoying, you know, yourself, working independently, enjoying. So that's why you need to get out also. You know, that is what I'm getting here. You will be in this Queen of Swords energy where you will not be letting, you know, so sometimes it's important, and you know, for I'm also getting that you need to let more people in, you know, maybe your friends, you're not taking the calls of your friends, you're not giving time to your families or something. That you need to work on, guys. Okay, I'll just take one more card here for you guys. I don't know, I feel like that. Take one more card for you. Yeah, okay, so there is plenty for everyone, including me. So yeah, if you're feeling that, yeah, there is plenty, you know, the universe have so much abundance. You don't have to think that if you take, you know, if you're doing this, you will not get abundance or something like that. You will get a lot of abundance, and it will be for everyone also. So yeah, that is an affirmation. Maybe if sometimes you feel that maybe if you're feeling like you don't have enough, you lack mindset, just get out of that. Okay, so sometimes we feel that we don't have enough, you know, you need to get out of it, because there is enough. There is plenty for everyone, including me. There is plenty for everyone. The abundance, you know, the universe is so abundant. The ocean of life is lavish with its abundance. All my needs and desires are meant before I even ask. Yeah, I feel like that because of this Magician card. I feel like that you're a very powerful manifestors also. So if you manifest, I feel you will get it. My good comes from everywhere and everyone and everything, and I feel you are very, very kind people also. You want to help other people. That is what you want to do. Okay, so maybe for some of you, if you provide some services and you feel like you don't need to take the money, it's because, you know, it's don't think like that. Okay, so maybe for some of you, you know, you feel money is bad or something. No, it's not bad, it's just an energy anyways. Okay, so yeah, and you know, everyone will have that abundance. Okay, you don't have to worry about everyone. Okay, just work on yourself, work on your I feel you need to work more on your self confidence and trust your abilities, guys. So that's all for group number 3. Bye bye, take care.